Hey, put your hat on, goofball. Do you want help putting it on? Let's put it on. Oh! No? Oh, you want to put it on your car, huh? Hey, you're running over your hat. Watch your hat. Uh-oh. You can get it. Oh, poor girl. Poor girl, there goes the hat. Hello. Oh, now you want your scarf back, huh? Before I had to wear it, now you want it. You want the whole outfit. I see. Well, if you're not going to wear it,